Good evening. We have some very important information about a certain individual who most people think was first entered into your life when she looked something like this. But we have been tracking her for 9 years, following every move from Sydney to Queensland, from Queensland to New Zealand to Thailand, Hong Kong, Moscow, where she's working as an operative for the Americans. This is something not many people know, but if we are not careful, they will discover the power of this woman, the ability to come back from injury, like a rugby player, maybe Russian rugby player. If you see this woman, please notify by secret phone number 6523195-AZ.